Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the logo watermark to your video in CapCut PC. Alright, go to media and import your video you like to edit and import your logo if you have um, and yeah, for instance I'm going to select the video and to add the logo watermark you can put on top as an overlay. For example, I'm using the YouTube logo and then yeah, as a watermark, you can adjust for the opacity for the image. Just click basic and select plain. Adjust for the opacity, yeah, transparent, or just you like to select the mode of plain, right then, or screen, or just overlay. I think you can select the overlay just for the opacity. There you go. That's it. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.